I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've been logged out of your Shopify account after too many failed login attempts, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the Shopify login page. Visit the Shopify login page at www.shopify.com/login. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. This will allow you to reset your password. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Shopify account and submit the form. Make sure you check for typos to avoid further issues. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Shopify with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes emails can get filtered. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Once done, you should be able to log in again. If you follow these steps, you should be back in your account in no time. Don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify support if you encounter any issues. Good luck!